Hey everybody, it's Ryan. If you'd like to have the option of charging 3 wireless devices at the exact same time, this video might just be for you. So this company reached out to me and said, Ryan, did you know there's a docking station that can charge 3 items wirelessly all at the exact same time and charge them pretty fast? I said no, and they said, well, check it out. So in no way whatsoever this being provided to me affect this review because I'm just here to keep it real. But this company right here reached out to me and sent me this. And here's what's really cool about it. So what all you get is this. It's a little charging station. It's about 6 inches or so by 6 inches by 6 inches. It has the ability to charge wirelessly right here for a phone. So if you put a phone right there, then you can see, boom, it's now charging. Very, very cool. You also have the option of having this removable docking station that connects right here. If you have a smartwatch or a device that's a watch that you lay it across this and then it can charge it right through this. Very, very cool. And then you also have, if you have earbuds, wireless earbuds or something that fits right here, those can go there as well, and it will charge them all at the exact same time. Now it does come with about a 3-foot extension cord and a charging power brick specifically for this. So it is very specific in this. Do not use anything else besides this because this is a high output charger and this thing charges fast. And for this to charge correctly, got to use this device. Also really cool that it comes with a USB or a USB-C. This helps also in a big way because let's just say you want to have wireless charging for your 3 devices, but you also want to be able to charge something else at the exact same time. Then you can use the provided USB-C and then plug this into, whatever else you need. So you actually have 4, it's really 4 ways to charge at the exact same time. Very, very cool. From a travel standpoint, this all collapses down. So this comes out, this comes off, this closes, and then this fits in here. Nice and perfect, just like that. And again, this is now all of about 1.5 inches thick by about 6 by about 5, I guess. Very, very small and compact. So if you have a phone that charges wirelessly, wireless earbuds, and a watch that you'd like to charge all 3 items at the exact same time, plus have the convenience of using a 4th wired option. Hopefully this answers any questions you might have, and we'll talk to you soon.